La reina Marlene presenta Entrada al Museo del Juguete.
I bring news from the castle. Can you guess what the toy of the day will be? ¿Saben cuál será el juguete del día? Come join me and we'll find out. ¡Acompáñenme!
Welcome. I'm Queen Marlene, and this is Edwin, and we're here at the Toy Museum today. We have a new exhibit on puzzles. Edwin, how do you say puzzle in Spanish?
Rompecabezas.
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 You got it.
Well, these are some old puzzles, and how can you tell they're old?
Well, this is interesting. I've never seen a puzzle with a little handle before.
Well, children played with these long ago. You can tell these are old by the color, by the picture.
It's chipped.
Well, maybe it's chipped because children played with it. What else do you notice? Do you notice anything on this puzzle, the picture?
Well, police cars don't look like that anymore.
No, they don't. If you want to be an inventor, it's important to learn about toys from long ago so you can create a toy of the future. You know, it would be great to compare these to some new toys. And we have a delivery here of some new toys.
Oh, can I do the unboxing? Yo puedo, por favor?
You sure can. How do you say new toy?
Nuevo. Juguete nuevo.
Juguete nuevo.
You got it.
No.
Oh, I know. Abracadabra.
Oh, great job, Edwin.
Oh, look at this.
This is a nice new game. A puzzle game. This is a mathematics game, and how can you tell that's new?
Well, it looks fun.
It does look
And
fun.
it has bright colors.
That's true, brighter than these colors.
Yeah.
And the packaging is different.
Yeah.
Packaging didn't look like that long ago.
The font is very different from that font.
That's right, the letter's correct. Well, if you want to be an inventor, it's important to look at toys from long ago and today so you can create your own. I have a great idea. Why don't you create your own puzzle and let us know?
Let's get to it. Buena suerte. Good luck.
Now you get to be an inventor. Tú puedes ser un inventor. Can you tell us what is the new idea for your game? ¿Cuál es tu idea del juego? See you next time. Adiós.